Right. I drill the hole, but the tiles cracked a bit because it's empty below. No choice. No choice. Now I have to paste a tape over to hold the foam in, to press down and hold the foam in when I inject into this. So it's part and parcel of these repairs. You expect tiles to crack because it's empty below. You don't drill the empty spots, you can't feel it. So next thing, let me paste something first. I paste this tape. This is a fiber reinforced tape which I use for my RCs. So I fly aeroplanes. So to seal it off first, instead of the foam will come out this side, so you hold it down. Then this is the thing. Attach this way, shake it thoroughly. Then a little bit of tips. Let me get it focused. Okay, it just for the tiles, and concretes. Under my situations, you don't have to drill the diameter this big. You don't have to drill the whole thing this big. You just have to do where the tip is. For my case, this spray gun is 6 mm. So my drill bit is 6 mm just for this to insert is well enough. Then after every pump, just hold it there. Go slow. For my case, it always goes slow. Pump first, start with about 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Stop about 10 seconds to 20 seconds. Then pump again. The pump is slowly become shorter and shorter. So you let it slowly expand inside. Also, what I had this behind this one, you don't release it all the way first because the whole pressure will go up. So release a bit. For me, about few rounds, 3 rounds first. So do not to have so much pressure going, because now it's empty. When too much pressure in here, you'll be splattering and all that. We want it to be slowly filling up. Slow, because it's filling up too fast, like my last case that side, which it lifts off the tiles and crack the tiles. It's filling too fast. So you have to go slow, spend time going slow. So as when you go, this one have to increase more, so they give more pressure to push it inside. The foam, because the foam is soft, you will slowly push it inside and slowly fill it up. No, you don't have to have a high pressure at first. So after that, leave it vertically inside for holding it for maybe 1 minute. Let it, the surface will harden, and slowly then bring these things out. You have to do quite a few times to get the experience. It's not as simple as this is. So now I tape it. I have punched a hole here with my pen knife. I don't think you guys can see, but I'm going to insert this. Let's try it this way. Okay, it's in. So there it goes. Stop. Let it feel it. I'm just holding it. I'm not pressing it down or anything. Just holding it. Maybe a little bit pressure. Add a little bit pressure somehow. Slowly filling it. Release it again. Because my this tank is nearly empty. So I can give it more. The pressure inside the tank is lower, so I'm giving it more a bit. This tank is actually empty, so I have to change the tank. I'll come back. You have to come back. So right now I have to close the valve, totally close the valve, then pull it out. Totally close, pull it out. The tank is empty. I'm gonna change the tank, then I come back.